Hello and welcome to Ireland's View. We have May the 1st, 2023. We have got the ZUIDERDAM in. That sounds very Dutch. And we move down here to Holland American Lines. So it's not the biggest of cruise ships that's come in, but this is in dock here now in Cobh Harbour. So if you're coming to Cobh this year on a cruise liner, this is where you're going to be docked. Right here by the train station is underneath there. That's the train station. Below. So that's the ZUIDERDAM on the 1st of May 2023 in Cobh Harbour. Enjoy the video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up for algorithm, and have a nice day.